Welcome to First Glance Weather. This is your First Glance Weather Center, and this is your current conditions as of 10:30 p.m. for First Glance Weather in Pinellas County. Currently, we're sitting at 86 degrees with your outdoor humidity at 73%, and it still feels like 97 degrees with your barometer at 29 and 93. The winds are from the southwest at 0 miles an hour, and we had a high gust within the last 6 hours at 10 miles per hour. And we had no rainfall in the 24-hour period. This is our overnight low temperatures for around the United States. Out west, in the northwest, we can see temperatures in the upper to mid 50s, mid 60s elsewhere, sporadic mid 70s, all the way down into Florida in the Midwest, and down in Houston, the warmest at 84, and they're getting ready to get a tropical storm coming that way. And up in Maine, 55 degrees. This is our key summary for the United States for tomorrow. Hot in the central and in the south with a tropical storm, like I said, in Texas. So it's coming in from the Gulf. This is our overnight lows for Florida and our weather conditions up in Pensacola and Tallahassee and Jacksonville, north with partly cloudy skies with the lows in the mid to upper 70s. In the central, clear with a few clouds, mid 70s. And in the south, 20-30% chance of thunderstorms, low 80s to upper 70s. This is our Florida Tuesday high temperature and weather. In the northwest, hot temperatures and sunny skies. In the northeast, hot temperatures with 20% chance of a thunderstorm. In the central, we have a straight chance of thunderstorms in this general area right in here. And like I said, in Jacksonville in the northeast, a 20% chance of a thunderstorm. The better chance of thunderstorms for Tuesdays would be in the south, with 20% in the Fort Myers area and Fort Lauderdale and Miami. You're looking at 20-30% chance. Temperatures in the central would be in the mid 90s. In the southwest, mid 90s, and in the southeast, upper 80s to about around 90 degrees. This is our Pinellas County, Florida recap for First Glance Weather Center. We had a high of 98 in where this was taken at, and we had a low of 75. Your winds were generally from the east at 10 to 15 miles an hour, and we had no rain in the weather station at First Glance Weather. And we had partly cloudy skies today. First Glance Weather, look at Tuesday's forecast. Weather conditions is sunny and hot with a small chance of a stray thunderstorm, and your winds are generally from the east northeast at 8 to 10 miles an hour. Hence, this is why I put in a very small chance of a thunderstorm. We're under influence of that drier air aloft as the tropical system is now going to be out in the central Gulf and moving into Texas by first thing tomorrow morning, and possibly a tropical storm tomorrow. That's what came over by the weekend. And I want to thank you for tuning in to First Glance Weather. Don't forget to hit me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. If you have any concerns or any questions or any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment sections and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Have a great evening and we will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's forecast. That's for Wednesday and tomorrow night's forecast. Have a great evening.